Today we're in Shoreditch Road to see this very, very special 1930s 3-bedroom semi-detached family home. Perfect for family. You've got a lovely extension towards the rear, great for kids. You've got a downstairs WC, utility space, great size rooms. The 3 bedrooms are all considered doubles. It's a really, really special property. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. If you are interested in having a look at this property, please get in contact via phone or email. Or if you'd like me to come and value your property, then I'd love that too. Speak to you soon. Thanks so much.